Okay, this is ×2 speed. What I'm doing is tying it down with a chain, and I am hitting it with a Buster chisel, then making sure it's back in the groove and hitting it again. I do this on all 4 sides, which I don't record because I believe that would be very boring to watch. As you see, look there, took it out, put it back in, making sure it is in the groove. Right, I've done one side. I thought I was recording and I wasn't. I evenly spaced it out. I've cut it so far down, and now I'll flip it to the opposite angle, which has also been marked out, and I'll put it in.
So keep them marked out, it's nice and cool, otherwise I'm going to be touching it or cutting it.
After heating it up, I put it in the vise. I do it this way instead of upright, so there's more grip on the metal. I don't want it to slip and land on me. See, I'm turning it just with an adjustable spanner. The longer the adjustable spanner, the easier it is to turn, because you've got more pivot. You see, as I'm turning it, I do tend to bend it, and then I straighten it up as best as I can. You can see here, while it's still hot. Keyring 2, once again, once I move my big head out of the way, I center it as best I can, and then get a whack. Once again, like I said in the first one, making sure it is in the groove, otherwise you'll have loads of lines. Okay, I've once again all 4 sides in the centre. I'll heat it back up, and I'm going to turn it. Exactly the same as in the first one, put it in the vise. I should have had it already set at the adjustable spanner, but I didn't. And then twist it, and then while it's still warm, sort any bends out, get it straight as I can. Then I'll leave it there a few minutes to cool down, not dry, to cool down. Coating it with linseed oil. Not red hot, but still warm to the touch. I should add here, all of them did get a coat of linseed oil. It helps prevent the rust and gives it a nice black finish. Looks better. And now the last one. All I've done is heat it up and then just twist it. There's no lines in, no nothing. The easiest one you could do, you could make hundreds of these in a day, maybe even 1,000, if you've got the time and the patience to do the same thing. Well, at least it teaches you how to twist. This is the first one we did, with the lines and the grooves we cut in. I've also filed all the tops killed any sharp bits, so no one cuts themselves. This is the second one we did with the line and the twist. And this is the last one we did, just the twist. It's perfect for beginners. Get yourself a bit of pocket money, or even you sell them and get some more material, because we all know nothing's free in this world. And if you lasted this far, why not hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you shortly.